a rainy day in Boston. Here's everyone with their umbrellas. We're at Harvard and we're gonna go to the Natural History Museum. Hi, Aubrey. Hi. Wow.
Mom
looking at rocks. What did she say?
Mom just said that Dad would love this exhibit because he loves rocks.
It's true. Our dad is a big rock fan. Rocktastic.
Like it.
They're pretty cool, huh?
I mean, who could have the patience to make glass that is so intricate and specific? And I mean, look how tiny.
Yeah, like little,
Crazy.
little details. I mean, also too, like to do the research and actually find the plants and then make them all out of glass. Hey, you two. Tricked you. It's a video.
Find us just enjoying the beauty of nature in glass form.
Glass form.
I mean, you just would never, ever guess these are made of glass.
I know, it actually is pretty trippy. Like, I just can't comprehend how it's all like formed.
Like, this dude who made these was a master at what he did.
You might like the destination, I enjoy the ride. You say you don't like conversation, I know that's a lie. Every time we kiss goodnight, I come alive. Fall asleep to your sweet love that gets me high. We belong together, I never trade you for there's nowhere else I'd rather be. When trouble comes, you're next to me. We belong together. I like coffee dates at midnight. You like Friday nights at home. I know I drive you crazy. You can't help but make it known.
This is what happens everywhere we go. Singing and dancing everywhere. And Amber's dying. Super delish. Oh, hey over there. Fruit parfait. Those are great. It's like the hand from the Addams Family. That's where we're staying at the post office. We're the apartment's right above. Cutest spot ever. Just like such a charming neighborhood. Oh, Aubrey, your umbrella's up.
I think it's just not gonna fix this time. It's done.
So we're just back at the house and everyone got really tired, so everyone fell asleep. And then I'm just editing some videos, but I thought it'd be funny to spy on everyone while they're sleeping. P.F. Chang's delivered. Everyone's starting to put their matching jammies on. So exciting. Cards. Living the life.
What's better than this?
We're all getting ready to take photos right now.
Tammy's cleaning my back with her hand. Haley! Aubrey! Tammy! Ahoy! It's the big girls! Oh my god. So is it about to take a picture or is it just recording?
It's recording.
Haley, open your eyes.
I don't play in any of them.
That's good positioning. Look, that's good positioning.
It is.
Look at that.
See 3 on
See,
3, yeah.
we need to take
Just
a picture.
diagonal.
3, 2, 1.